If you don't know it by now, this condo, I did a condo rehab on this condo before we moved in here. Yes, we had a good time in here while we had it. And now it's time to say goodbye. So I'm here doing cleanup, doing all kinds of nitpicky little things. And I'll show you certain other things. In fact, I might even show it on the next video of the different things that I still have to do in this condo to get ready for it to sell. It looks pretty good. And you know, you could sell a condo as is, sell your house as is, or whatever, but why do that if there's certain things that you can do yourself to boost the cost up, or to get the price that you want, or to keep it off the market, or make it sell within the first 2-3 weeks instead of 2-3 months, because they see different little things that need to be done. Well, this needs to be done, this needs to be done, this needs to be done. If all that stuff needs to be done, what else are we gonna find? What else did they not maintain? What about the roof? What about underneath the house? What about this? What about that? But with a condo, you don't have to worry about the exterior stuff as much because the HOA is responsible for that. But just because of that doesn't mean you shouldn't clean up your deck. You shouldn't clean the outside of your windows. You shouldn't clean the sides of your panels on the outside. You shouldn't clean the front door of your condo or the garage door and wash the windows in your garage door on the outside, even though it's HOA. You might as well do that. It's all about how you present it to the seller, their first impression and all that kind of stuff, okay?